Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a luxury bed and do it on a budget. But I'm also collaborating with Keisha J of GLAM Everything. Some of you probably already know her. Her channel and her video is going to be linked below. When you're done watching this video, go ahead and check out Keisha because she has some beautiful home and great content on her channel. Guys, we're going to be showing you how to create a luxury bed on a budget. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, first I'm going to be putting on my fitted sheet. I just have a white sheet set that I have washed, and I got it from Ross, and it was, I believe it was $19.99 for a queen. This is a queen size bed for a queen sheet set. And then I'm going to put the flat sheet on top because I'm going to be using that I'm going to incorporate that with my comforter. So I'm going to fold it back. Now this is the comforter that I'm using. This comforter is from Walmart, and this is a king size comforter that I'm using on a queen size bed because that will allow it to drop down on the sides and it'll give it a more luxe look. If you get a queen size, it's going to drop down pretty short, and so you're not going to get that really luxurious look. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it back about halfway on the bed, and I'm also bringing the sheet along with it, okay? I'm going to fold both pieces back. And then I'm just going to smooth it out really well. And this is going to give it that hotel feel, and then I'm just going to fold it back on itself. And this is a beautiful comforter from Walmart. It's a pin tuck comforter. And they do have other colors as well, but I definitely am going with the white, cream, taupe, and beige color scheme. I'm just going to keep it really neutral. And these are the shams that actually came with it. And these are king size pillows. And these are the pillows that I sleep on. So I'm going to put those in the back first. And now I'm going in with these shimmery, sort of off-white, yeah, they're sort of like an off-white color, 26 by 26 pillows. These are from Burlington, and I've had these for probably a few months now. And they're 26 by 26, and I got these on clearance at Burlington for $11.99 each. That was incredible. That was an incredible deal. Now these pillows right here, they are from HOMEGOODS, and they were $16.99 each, and I love the pattern on this. It's just a beautiful fabric. This pillow here is from Ross, and I've had this for a while. I think it was like $10.99. I've had that for a really long time. This pillow right here, which is sort of like a velvet material, that is for Burlington. That was also on clearance for $7.99. This beautiful throw right here is from HOMEGOODS. And I can either put it straight across or I can put it on an angle. And I think I'm going to put it on an angle right now, but either way is going to look amazing. Anytime you want to create a luxe bed, faux fur is always a great idea because it's going to add a lot of texture and pattern. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add this pillow here that I got from Ross. It was $10.99. to my settee that sits right in front of my bed, and then this faux fur pillow right here that is from Burlington, and I think that was $7.99, I believe. This pillow right here is also from Burlington, so I'm going to switch it up a little bit because I think I want to keep everything in the beige, kind of taupe and white family versus bringing in the gray, and I do like the way that looks. This is the bed skirt that is on the bed. This is from Amazon, and if you're interested, I'll have that link below for you. Guys, I've already started incorporating my pumpkins, and I'm going to show you those in a minute. I absolutely love the way the bed looks like this. It looks really luxe. I'm ready to jump in this bed. The headboard, the tufted headboard, is from Overstock. My side tables are from Overstock. The lamps are from Ross. If I forget anything, definitely let me know in the comments and I will get back with you. So I have already started to incorporate my pumpkins for fall, but it is still really hot here in South Carolina. I mean, like 100 degrees every single day almost. So I was I was looking at Instagram the other day at one of my YouTube sisters, Shell's Glam Home, and she actually had snow in her area. I believe she lives in Australia. So let me know in the comments what the weather is looking like in your area. Let me know if it's already started to cool down a bit, or is it still blazing hot like it is here in South Carolina. I am so looking forward to cooler temperatures. So guys, the pumpkins on the right and the candle holder on the left are from HOMEGOODS. The settee is originally from Pier 1, but I got this from a Facebook marketplace seller, and I only paid $200 for it. So guys, if you have any questions, as always, let me know in the comments. If you like interior styling, DIYs, and anything home related, go ahead and click the subscribe button right now so you don't miss out on anything.